Scentland, the land of scent. Bonjour mes amis, je suis ici et je cherche le bleu. Le bleu, je cherche le bleu. Oh, voilà, j'ai trouvé le bleu. Drakkar Bleu, the new fragrance by Guy Laroche, released in 2025, and it is a flanker of the original Drakkar back from 1972. Okay, so this is before you fall for the misinterpretation of many of my fellow fragrance reviewers, this is not a flanker of Drakkar Noir. Okay, this is a flanker of the original Drakkar from 1972, and Drakkar Noir was a flanker too, and Drakkar Dynamic was a flanker, and Drakkar Essence was a flanker, and Drakkar Intense was a flanker a few years ago, and now we have the blue version, Drakkar Bleu, released in 2025, and as you can tell, it's a refreshing, fairly special yet mass appealing fragrance. I'm gonna tell you why I think that is. There is a burst of very fresh top notes that consist of spearmint, which is not your usual in-your-face mint, rather a dominating yet very much lingering and soft type of mint, okay, but persistent, paired up with apple and bergamot, as well as later in the development you get a steady sage and lavender. And in the base, you have what I feel is a mossy fir dry down. Very much just what you get here in this setting that we have here. So it's not necessarily a aquatic fragrance, rather a aromatic, green, fresh fragrance with a very good longevity and very good price versus quality ratio. I think this 100 milliliter eau de parfum beats the hell out of the competition, and I mean as a competition here, mostly the Saint Laurent line, but as well like fragrances like Profondo and Bleu de Chanel and all these blue type of fragrances that play in this genre. Okay, why? Because this fragrance is equally appealing and has class, it has backbone, and it's much more affordable with the same or even better performance. I think this is going to be a very tough competition, mostly to really the Saint Laurent line there, and that you will see in the months to come. I think it is really a combination of modern and traditional, because due to the moss and the fir and the lavender here, it has a classy sort of backbone to it, even a barbershop at this point. So it is as if you would mix the 90s with this current age, okay? And you would put that into a wonderful modern smelling blend with a traditional barbershop, refreshing, long-lasting, aromatic, green backbone. Okay, so I love it as an easy wear, daytime wear, summertime wear, great timing for the release, and it's really a worthy flanker of the original Drakkar back from 1972, and yeah. Let's see what happens, but I would say that this is going to be a great success on the market. So let me grab it. Drakkar Bleu, Guy Laroche, well done. And there we go. Deep dive.